Did you know that practicing compassion might actually change your body all the way down to your cells? It's true. Compassion isn't just a nice idea. It's a biological state where healing can happen more easily. What is really incredible is that some of the most powerful research on healing and regeneration isn't about fancy new gadgets. It's about how we can change our nervous system through practices like meditation, compassion training, and managing our stress. Scientists have seen these effects in areas like inflammation, immune function, and even how our cells age. Let me explain. At the very ends of our chromosomes, we have these little protective caps called telomeres. Every time a cell divides, these telomeres get a tiny bit shorter. When they get too short, the cell can't repair itself properly anymore. Think of them like the plastic tips on your shoelaces. This shortening is linked to aging, chronic stress, inflammation, and a higher risk of disease. But here's the good news. There's an enzyme called telomerase that can help repair and maintain these telomeres. Now, we know that stress can speed up this shortening process. Nobel Prize winner Elizabeth Blackburn and Dr. Alyssa Epel discovered that long-term psychological stress is directly linked to shorter telomeres and a weaker immune system. Their work proves that how we experience stress biologically impacts our cellular health. So, how can we fight back? Studies suggest that meditation, including compassion-based practices, can influence these biological processes. Research has shown that these practices can lead to reduced stress hormones like cortisol, lower inflammation, and a more active parasympathetic nervous system. That's your body's rest and digest mode. There's even evidence they might increase telomerase activity. One study at the University of California, San Francisco, found that people on a meditation retreat showed increased telomerase activity, which could help support cellular repair. Your nervous system is constantly sending signals to your body, telling it if you're safe or in danger. When your brain senses a constant threat, your fight or flight response stays on. Inflammation rises, and healing slows down. But when you shift your nervous system into a state of safety and regulation, your immune function improves and your body can focus on repair. This means that training your mind, cultivating compassion, and regulating your nervous system can directly influence the biological environment where your cells live and work. It's a powerful connection between mind and body. Here at the Compassion Center of Georgia, we offer cognitively based compassion training, which was developed at Emory University. This training not only helps you build emotional resilience, but may also support your body's natural healing processes by calming your nervous system. You can create the internal conditions for health right down to the cellular level. Thank you for watching. Compassion Center.